Hello, welcome to Tile Coach. I'm Isaac Ostrom. I'm a licensed tile contractor in Northern California. In 2011, I made these, for my nephews, I made these piggy banks, and I made them out of glass blocks. So again, glass block was a thing that was popular back in the 90s, was pretty happen. We still do some glass blocks, and they're pretty cool, but they also make really good piggy banks. So this was kind of like this was a Christmas present, right? Yeah, so I made Christmas presents, and this one this one's made out of glass tiles that wrap the glass block. And this one says Severin. This is my nephew's name. I drew a little picture, and it says 2011, and it says, "See Uncle Isaac to open." So we've opened one of these, and the first one, I wasn't too happy with how we opened it because we just used a hole saw and drilled in, and it kind of exploded. So these glass blocks they're under a little bit of pressure usually. So if you're doing a demo with them and you hit them with a hammer, they kind of pop. So I'm just going to use a grinder and go as careful as I can and see if we can cut a little square in here without dumping a bunch of glass shards in it. And I got my my snowboarding goggles. I don't have any safety glasses, and my wife is making me wear them, so I'll do it. Okay, and then this one, and then I have another one. So my daughter Callie has been wanting me to do hers too, and I actually made this one before I made these ones, and this one's probably, it was at least a couple years before, so it's probably like 20,
probably like 15 years old.
Probably 50, yeah, so probably about 15 years old. And I just had some leftover tiles from a job and made it. And so the cool thing about being in the tile trade and the trades in general is that you can make nice gifts for people. I mean, once you learn these skills, a handmade gift means so much more because you put the time and effort and the skills that you've learned to make a gift for someone, and that's really cool. My brother-in-law Steve also does it a lot, and he's on my crew. And every year at Christmas, we get really cool gifts from Steve. He makes signs and whatever, just out of scrap tile and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. This is kind of cool that we're shooting a video. Hey guys, we're shooting a little YouTube video. Do you want to be in it? We're cutting open some piggy banks. So I made these piggy banks. Okay. And they're like 10 years old, so it's finally time to open them.
She's like, "Hey, baby."
So this is my neighbor Trevin, and I'm sorry I forgot your name. Ruth.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, this is cool. So we don't know exactly how this is gonna go. We're gonna cut them open, and hopefully glass doesn't just like go everywhere. So.
And you're gonna get a bunch of money.
Yeah. Well, they are. So that one's Severin's, and that one's Callie's. And that one's like 15 years old.
Wow, that's cool.
Cool little gift, but it's time to cut them open now.
Bust them open.
All right. Okay, let's see how this goes. So what I got here is a 4-inch, this is my Makita angle grinder. I got a Pearl P4 blade on it, and I'm just gonna try to cut nice and slow, open up a little hole without having glass go everywhere.
Let's get back.
Okay. So usually I cut towards me, but I don't want glass going everywhere. So I'm gonna go this way. Are you gonna be able to see that, Cal?
I'm trying to.
That's probably good right there. I'm gonna be moving around and stuff. Okay, so we're through. I don't know if I made that big enough, did I?
No.
Need to make it bigger?
I think you're gonna have to go a little bit bigger, babe. Go bigger, go home, I think.
I mean, you can reach your finger in there. Should I make it bigger?
No, let's try it.
Okay, so we can get all the money out And I think I did a pretty good job of not having glass spill down in there.
Don't Dave Portnoy on yourself.
I know. It's actually not that sharp.
All right, cool. Let's shake it.
I think we'll be able to get everything out of it.
Sweet.
Yeah? Okay. Success. Callie, you want me to make your hole a little bit bigger?
Probably not. Mine's just
About the same?
coins, so.
Oh, because
Okay,
hers
cool.
is just coins.
Well, right on. Well, so that's how you make a nice little piggy bank out of a glass block and some tiles. Again, these are some just clear glass tiles. I used thin set, grouted them on, and yeah, it's a cool little gift. So if you, oh look, I'm bleeding. Just a little, just a little. Maybe wear pants if you're gonna cut it open. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you like this shirt, go to tilecoach.com. You can get shirts. Please support us. We make a lot of cool videos to help you get better at setting your tile. So again, thanks for watching these videos. Last but not least, I love you. I love being your tile coach. We'll see you on the next video.